Your seedlings are growing and you don't know if it's time to move them to a bigger pot? I will show you the exact signal to look for and how to do it step by step without stressing your plants. The signal to transplant is the true leaves. Not the first two that appear right after germination. Those are called seed leaves or cotyledons, and they are just the energy reserves from the seed. The true leaves come after, and they have the actual shape of the plant. Look at my tomatoes here. You can see the true leaves developing. That's the green light. We can go now. Now look at my peppers. They are still at the cotyledon stage. If I transplant them now, the roots are not developed enough and the shock will kill them. We wait another week or two. And there is a second signal, maybe even more obvious. Flip your tray over and look at the bottom of the cells. Do you see little white roots poking out of the drainage holes? That means the plant has run out of space. It's finished everything on its plate and it's looking for more room. When roots start circling around the bottom with nowhere to go, the plant gets stressed and stops growing. So the sooner you catch this, the better. For this first transplant, you want a pot around 8 to 10 centimeters, not bigger. Because a pot that's too large means too much soil around the roots, water sits here and causes root rot. And you don't need to buy anything. A yogurt cup with a hole punched in the bottom is exactly the right size. Or a cut milk carton works too. Even a plastic cup. Just always make a drainage hole, because no hole means roots will rot. Now let's get the seedling out of its cell without breaking it. First, make sure the soil is slightly moist, not dry, because dry soil crumbles and takes the roots with it. If your tray feels dry, give it a light water and wait 10 minutes. My cells are small, so I can't fit a finger underneath. You can use a pencil or a spoon. Slide it gently along the edge to loosen the soil from the sides. Tilt the tray and let gravity do the work. You can also push the pencil up through the drainage hole to pop the root ball out. And what you want to see is a compact ball of roots and soil that holds together. Roots wrapping around the bottom just means the plant was ready and waiting. I make a hole in the potting mix deeper than the root ball. For tomatoes, deeper is always better. I hold the seedling by the leaves, never by the stem. Because a leaf can recover if it breaks, but a broken stem means the plant is dead. Then I place the plant in the hole. Now the tomato trick. I bury the stem all the way up to the first leaves. Those little hairs on the stem turn into roots underground, and you end up with a much stronger root system. I press the soil gently around it, no air pockets, and that's it. Then water gently and put your plant in a shaded spot for 24 hours. No direct light. The plant just went through a stressful experience, give it time to recover. But after 24 hours, don't forget to bring back your plant under the light. Because a tomato that doesn't get enough light will stretch itself trying to find it. And you will get long, weak, floppy stem. You don't want that. 24 hours of shade, then straight back to full light. Now that your seedlings are in their new pots, make sure you are watering them correctly. Everything is in my watering video, link just right here. And if you are not sure your seeds are still good before you sow more, check my germination video. Link is here too.